What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we actually I go vlog. Not vlog. Today we actually I go blog. Yes, we have look so where we want to talk about. You know, my channel is really not about sauce. My channel is really about me do content, right? But every now and then I go do a little blog and give them my ideas and give them my opinion and how I feel about something. You want to think about that? Drop in the comment section if you not think say I should I do like a blogging and giving them my feedback on certain little topics and yes and yes and yes. So over the weekend I see this surf things are going. Well, I think Friday night. Not Friday night. It was it Friday night or Saturday night? I think Saturday night I see Wally British pan live on Facebook. I talk about CMR cheat pan Chrissy. So I said me I go talk like a bit about that and wanna tell me if me wrong or me right. Don't afraid to tell me. And also Spice, cause there is this picture that me see post with Spice and I want to talk about that as well. How me did feel about it. I post it on my Facebook and etc. So stay tuned because me I go do look at chatting here now. Alright. So start with CMR and Chrissy. I see Wally British pan live attack. And for some reason in my guts, I don't know if Wally British are act, but when me see Wally British pan live and she talk about the girl sleep her house and you know she couldn't tell Chrissy say you know she know these things and whatever. You know, me not blame Wally British. Me not blame Wally British from not be the person for go mash up somebody's marriage. But me kinda blame her for put up the girl. But kinda, not 100%. But when me I say, she a try to help in her situation and try to help her out her situation for move on and not cause no problem in the relationship. That's how me feel. Say maybe Wally British did that do. But by me start to hear, when me find the video now with the girl I talk about CMR, how she go down Panama, etc. And me I say, you know, something just hit me. Because let me tell you now, me is a Leo. And sometimes me not telling them I feel like I can't see through people's lies. So when me see she attack, me I try to pick up in my head and I try to read our action and our, you know, how she, this is how you know, this is how me is, you know, me try to see through your face and when me are looking at your eye to see if you are pretend or you act or whatever, it just come to me like by just her expression say, you know, she's acting, it's not real. That is me don't know if it's real, me don't know if the truth come out, but me just feel like, you know, CMR planned this. It's a prank. That is how me feel. Me still don't know if it's real. Me just I said this is my opinion on it. So if it come out, me don't know. It maybe come out before me do that video here or after that video here, me just don't know. But me say me advise my opinion. Me just feel like it not real and why me feel like it don't real. You know? Look on Chrissy and CMR, them build this empire with them children and them blogging and them, you know, them merge and everything and them, you know, them put it out there. Them not perfect, but them put it as how them put it. Them seems to be happy and them is a you can't always read what go behind closed door. You only read from the video where them put out or the post and them caption. You only read from those things. And to me, them seems to be a okay family. So why would CMR want to mess that up? I cannot see through that with somebody that where them claims say no have nothing. Like him would have to go start him life over from scratch. Like me wouldn't be so stupid figure mess up something when me already grew and build. Feel what like a front. me know say some man not think and them head light and them woman too. Them act a certain way and them just do what them want to do and whatever without thinking of the consequence. But it just me just cannot see through it. Like me thinking more smarter than that figure make such an error, because him know say him famous and anything can come back for aunt him. Why would he do something like that? It just not done. So because of that, me never even finished watch the video with the girl, because me just feel like, okay, this is it. I mean, me could have finished watch it, but me never finished watch it because me watch it because me I say this have to be a prank. Me not gonna beat up myself over it. I just feel like it is a prank, and if you not think of the same thing, drop it in the comment section. Let me know if you not feel the same way. Anyway, guys, don't forget to like the video and let me know in the comment section if you not agree with me. But if Wally British pull off that as a when me I watch Wally British and then when I go back and see the girl, me I say, if Wally British pull off that, then Wally British need to go act. Really, she need to go act some movie. If she pull off that as an acting skill, then Wally British are gone. Or CMR just have she and Chrissy in the dark and the two of them are plan it. That is it. That is it. Me say if Wally British did know, then Wally British really did a put on an act. If Wally British can go act movie, that was what I said to myself. Maybe CMR and the girl just plan this and keep Chrissy and Wally out of it. So that was my opinion on it. Me don't know if me wrong, but sometimes, you know what me I go do? Me I go start voice my opinion ahead of time before, you know, the truth come out. Cause sometimes, you know, you can't see through people, you know, and see things not real. You know, him cannot say it's an act and it's not an act. But to me, me just feel like it don't 100% real. I don't feel like, I just feel like this is just something we set up, maybe because CMR got do, you know, in video. It's just assumption to me, but me just feel like it not real. Alright, we're done with that now. That is my opinion. I want to tell me what I think. The next thing now with Spice. If anyone on upon my YouTube, follow me on Facebook. When we see me share it from my page, from Spice page, and say, Spice, me love you, yeah, me G, but me not believe this, right? That is what I'm writing on my caption. Me don't have to in the bed, even though Spice never say no, she pregnant, you know. I think she said something like rebirth or what, maybe me see it in our video. She said rebirth because of what she got through. But honestly, from Spice post the video, me see how much in bloggers I run with it and I say, Spice pregnant, Spice pregnant. When me read Spice caption, me never see she say she pregnant. You know, so she just post the picture, but people just run with it and I say she pregnant. Which is, me say to my husband right away when me see it and say, you know, so people are going to say Spice pregnant, but Spice not pregnant. Me never even read the caption yet. Me say, look here, Spice post one pregnant picture, and me know say everybody are going to say Spice pregnant right now. But it easily for just put on one pregnant belly, then sell on Amazon, and maybe put on makeup and match it out with your skin, or maybe by your own skin tone, and make it look like it real and it's don't real. You know, just make up it or Photoshop it and make it look like it real. That is what I said to my husband. And me I said to myself, say, you know, oh my God, look how much people are running with it because them really feel like, say, it real. Me should I just voice my opinion right there so. And no, say, you know, me did say it never real. But if I don't go up on a date when me post it, it was before Spice do our live video and explains that she's not pregnant. So me post it and I say me don't have to day in the hospital when Spice have that the baby. But the only reason why me say that is because me see everywhere me look on social media, people are sharing it and I say Spice pregnant. But I was saying I don't believe it. You know, Spice is just, Spice have a way of marketing her stuff. She have a way of showing up in a way where people, it get people shocked. Spice is a Leo. I am a Leo. You know, Spice born the 6th, me born the 10th of August. So me I tell you, me no say that never is like, as me tell you before, it's like me can see some things and feel some things. Me not always right. Me not perfect, nobody not perfect. But you know, several times people tell me some I could have be a psychic. Because enough time when me talk some things, it just come to reality. Because you can read into things, you observe. If you are a person that observant, then you won't miss. You won't miss certain things. You're not gonna always hit it, you know. But at least you know say you're not gonna miss certain things, not gonna just pass you. Or you're not gonna run with it. You get what I mean? I do a video with Spice when Spice did get sick. I made it here said Spice died. And when we go up on social media, I say rest in peace, rest in peace. In my guts, me that pray for Spice. I'm not gonna say me never nervous, but me that pray for her. But in my guts, me know say God I go pull her through. Because she's a fighter. She is a fighter, and that's why me did feel in my guts say she gonna be alright. And me not gonna tell her no lie. Sometimes when you see the Wally things them with them post on social media, sometimes it hit you in a little way, even though you have a belief because you are human. But when me see it, me I say no, Spice are gonna make it through this. You get what I mean? So that is my view on those two topics, guys. Tell me what you think in the comment section below. When me I watch the girl, go back to CMR. When me I watch the girl, me I say, as me I said before, me I say something about this fishy. And as me say, me never watch the whole of the video because me gonna do something still. But me never bother go back for go look for it because me I say something about it. She not have that expression. She not have that pain. She's just acting. That is how me feel. Me don't know if a reality. But hopefully, when it truth finally come out, hopefully me correct. So, me don't know the truth yet. But me just did feel like it is true. Because when me see the voice note, me see she put up one video where she show one post where CMR send her and me did sing all a song or whatever, and she talking in the background. Me say, this is an act. This is not real. You know what I mean? It does not look like the pain is there, that she feel hurt or etc. It just not seem so to me. But anyway, guys, tell me what you think in the comment section. And if it's real, then you know my prayer is with them. I hope say them can overcome this, because them seems to be a nice. Some of them have some beautiful kids, and for them for go through, you know, certain things like this, or even break up or whatever. Me no wouldn't want to see that. Me not like the family separated. If you have to, then you have to, because you're not happy. But you know, me wish and pray for them for the best if something goes up. But in my guts, that is my feelings. I'm just expressing my feelings. Me no feel say real. I wanna tell me if nothing say real. Anyway, guys, bless up on a nice clean self, and don't forget to like the video. And I hope this topic, me I gonna try do some little blogging as me said before, and some topic where sometimes me feel some way about, and me just I gotta express my opinion on them. It's not like me want to dictate, or you know, me not bash nobody. Hopefully me not ever have to do that, because people business is really not my business. But you know, sometimes we as the watcher, we have local opinions, and we can always share them. I have a platform where we can share them. Wanna just tell me what wanna think, and it's all about wanna tell me what to think. Love you guys. Bless up on a nice thing self.